Are you intrigued by the idea of simplifying mealtime in your busy family life while maintaining nutritious and delicious home-cooked meals? Meal prep for busy families is your solution, unraveling the secrets of how efficient meal preparation can save time, reduce stress, and help your family enjoy wholesome meals together. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we'll delve into the world of meal prep, unveiling the benefits and strategies for busy families to make home-cooked meals a breeze. 1. The meal prep revolution. In the opening paragraph, introduce the meal prep revolution as the answer to the time crunch that busy families often face. Pique the reader's curiosity by suggesting that this guide holds the key to unlocking the secrets of efficient meal preparation for your family. 2. Understanding the challenge. Begin by defining the challenges that busy families encounter when it comes to mealtime. Describe how hectic schedules, lack of time, and multiple responsibilities can make it difficult to cook fresh and nutritious meals every day. 3. Efficiency through planning. Delve into the importance of meal planning and organization for busy families. Emphasize the role of planning weekly menus, creating shopping lists, and preparing ingredients in advance to streamline the cooking process. 4. Versatility and batch cooking. Discuss the versatility of ingredients that can be prepped in advance, such as chopped vegetables, cooked grains, and marinated proteins. Explain how batch cooking can help you prepare larger quantities and freeze meals for later use. 5. Kitchen tools and gadgets. Explore the value of kitchen tools and gadgets for efficient meal prep. Share how items like slow cookers, pressure cookers, and food processors can save time and effort. 6. Involving the family. Discuss the importance of involving family members in meal prep. Explain how assigning tasks to kids and spouses can turn meal preparation into a shared and bonding activity. 7. Health and nutrition. Highlight the connection between meal prep and improved nutrition. Share how having prepped ingredients readily available encourages healthier choices and reduces the reliance on takeout and processed foods. 8. The long-term meal prep journey. Conclude with the idea that adopting meal prep isn't just a temporary solution, it's a lifelong commitment to streamlining mealtime for your family. Encourage readers to view meal prep as a long-lasting approach to creating more quality time together and enjoying nutritious, homemade meals. By the end of this article, readers will not only understand the significance of meal prep for busy families but will also be motivated to incorporate it into their daily routines, savoring the benefits of reduced stress, more family time, and the joy of enjoying homemade meals. Meal prep for busy families is a journey into a world of culinary organization and family bonding, where every meal becomes an opportunity to simplify your busy life and nourish your loved ones. So, let's embark on this meal prep journey and discover the remarkable benefits it offers for your family's well-being and togetherness. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.